Let's mix this cocoa powder and chocolates together. I normally mix it together. I don't use only cocoa powder. No, I mix it together because this has a bitter taste. I mix it with this one that has sweet taste. This is sweetened chocolate. This is 3,000 naira, very expensive. And this is 1,000 naira. This one is cheaper. So I can use it to drink tea. Just add milk and drink your tea. But this one, you add milk and sugar because it has a bitter taste. So let's mix it. This is my pumpkin where I normally put cocoa powder. So if you go to the market, you can as well see cocoa powder in this form. So let's in a cup like this. See? Yes. Then, but me, I always go for the measuring one, which is this one. So now I'm going to transfer this to this pumpkin. Then I'll take half of this chocolate and mix it together. So when you open it, just transfer it inside. Transfer all. This is just 1 cup of cocoa powder. Just 1 cup of cocoa powder. That's it. If you use only this cocoa powder to pop without adding enough sugar, the chocolate will be tasting bitter because this has a bitter taste, no sugar inside. Nothing is inside except cocoa. That's it. So I don't normally use only cocoa to pop. I always use mix it with chocolate. So let's pour in the chocolate. So this is the chocolate. I'm going to divide it into two. This is also 1 cup of chocolate. So I'm going to divide it into two equal parts. So I'm going to use one of these to mix it together with this. Because you know, in a popcorn, you still add sugar. Since I will still make use of sugar, I'm going to use half to mix it. Thank you. So this is the remaining one here. You can use your spoon and mix it together. At this point, you are going to mix both the chocolate and the cocoa powder together. If you want, you can as well turn it into a bigger bowl and mix together, then transfer it back to the cup. Or you can as well cover the cup, cover it very tight, and shake it. Shake it properly so that the chocolate and the cocoa powder will mix together. Shake it very well. Continue to shake it. Shake it so that everything is going to blend very well. So by so doing this, you have already prepared your chocolate and cocoa powder ready to be used. See? That's it. As you can see, it's not that dark again. Nice. Now slightly brown, not too dark and not too chocolate in color. See? So like this now, you are good to go. Like this, you are good to go. This spoon is always inside. This is 1 tablespoon, 15 ml. This is what I normally use to measure chocolate. So you can just chuck it inside and cover it up. So that is it. This is just how to mix your chocolate and your cocoa powder. So you can just enter all this catering shop where you normally buy your flour, your milk, your sugar, groundnut oil. Just tell them that you want to buy measuring cocoa powder. If you don't see the measuring cocoa powder, you can get it in a comb like this, in a cup like this. You can get it 3,000 naira from my area. I don't know about yours. So you can tell them to give you chocolate, the measuring chocolate. They can give you 1 cup, can give you 2 cups. You can buy in kilo, 1 kg, 2 kg, depending on how the people around your area sells their own. So this is how to mix the chocolate. Please don't forget to like our video, comment and share. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you always get our video whenever we make a post.